Alright guys, it's been a couple days and got all the parts painted up. Heads are sitting over here. Heads are all nice and dry. I went ahead and painted the oil pan. I'm sure y'all seen that, but it just finished curing and whatnot. And we're gonna go ahead and try to slap the oil pan on, get this thing set on the ground, and then go ahead and basically try to get this thing fully assembled. You can pause. You can pause. Pause, man. Pause.
So I don't know if y'all seen us or if y'all caught the mess up from the other day, but we forgot to put the oil pump in, so that has been put in.
We also went ahead and put in a rear main seal, and also the front main.
You don't need an oil pump. I've been running that Ranger. I don't even think it has an oil pump.
Huh?
They did an oil pump delete. You don't need an oil pump on a Ford Ranger.
Tough. I mean, you can't tell them nothing.
Tougher than grandma's titties. Tell you what.
Hard as a rock.
Yeah. You done tore up my dead blow. Holy shit.
What are you talking about?
I didn't do that.
We.
Good. Looks like you've been chewing on it.
We tore up the dead blow.
It looks like you've been chewing on my dead blow. Last time I had this thing, maybe I'll do a cutback to the last video when I actually had it, this dead blow. It was pretty clean. I don't know what the fuck happened to it now.
Properly torque the spec.
Here, you need the XDR for that.
Do need a 13 mil. I got a shop towel too while you're at it.
Shop towel coming up. See, today I'm just the assistant.
See, most of the time you see Jake. You know, Jake's on the camera. This time it's the opposite way.
This is going in a Jeep. I mean, this is Joe's project. There's no chance I'll be putting anything in a Jeep except for the Jeep in the junkyard.
What? Torque spec.
I like the black on the oil pan.
You still
So now when it leaks
you
oil,
still a 10 mil again.
I ain't never stole 10 mil. Look, now you got a black oil pan, so when it leaks oil, you won't even be able to tell. Yeah. It's a nice gasket.
Chevrolet was smart whenever they did this. They why is there a hole? But no hole. There's a hole, but no hole. No.
Torque spec.
Yeah, torque spec. Yeah. It's got an oil pan on it now.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and put her in there.
Yeah.
See, y'all have heard of no cats? You ever heard of no heads?
You ever seen them guys who do like the cardboard head gaskets?
Have you ever done?
Cardboard head gasket? Once. It was like on a chainsaw.
Oh.
It ran.
You want to do that with this?
No. No. Because I got some good head gaskets
Make
for
a good
it.
video. We could use like OSB.
Oh, OS.
Oh. We'll see how good OSB head gasket. Look, we good. OSB head gasket, bro. It's perfect.
I think we're going to go ahead and drop this thing down on that tire. You know, good Lord. I'll tell you what. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Down. 40 pounds, spilling all the stuff.
Be nice. Which one was the oil pressure switch? Was it this? Is this the oil pressure switch?
Yeah. Yeah, that one's old person switch right there. Yep. Mm-hmm. Don't you own a 5.3?
Yeah, I just don't look at the back of the block very often.
Don't you own like an 8.1?
What does that mean?
Huh?
8.153. 8.153. This is Big Betty in here. But this bad boy's going. Just look at it. I feel like every single video that we do this, we're like, look how big the 8.1 is. Look at that. My whole disc could go in it.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and clean up the surface. Probably rotate it around. So that way we can get to the top of every piston. Clean off all the carbon. We can go ahead and put the heads on. But yeah, that's what we're going to go ahead and do. Probably going to put you up on the tripod and you can see all the magical goodness. looking good over there.
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up these heads. Yeah, I'm gonna start cleaning up these heads. And them things ready, ready to go on.
How them heads come along?
You doing alright? Alright. That brake clean.
Looking good.
Right.
All right.
That one's ready to install.
You shit yourself.
No.
Good Lord.
He's standing beside a trash can and he asked if I shit
Yeah,
myself.
but there's a different smell between trash and shit. I'll edit this part out. If you shit yourself, you can let me know, man. I ain't gonna trip. They don't have to watch it because they know nothing, you know what I mean?
He ain't editing shit.
Huh.
Huh.
Yeah, I'm editing shit out of the video. You shit yourself. It's okay. We've all been there. I shit myself a week ago. So what you want to do, guys? You just want to take this? Yes.
Yeah. Mar up that surface.
Yeah, just put like heels in it and rivets, so the coolant passages will have more air. So when the coolant passages have more air, your engine breathes better, and you make more horsepower. That's what Dale Earnhardt told me years ago.
I don't even know what we're supposed to work these people.
I think it's like 1,000 foot-pounds.
1,000?
Yeah, you got multi-layer steel gasket. It even looks fancy.
They're even labeled? Front, so you can't fuck it up.
Too bad they didn't label the back. Then I ain't gonna know. You know, they only labeled the front. They didn't label the back.
Pause.
Huh? Why?
I'm hungry, cuz I ain't ate all of them. Hey, I'm hungry. Alright, Jake's gonna bring the heads over here, so that way we can go ahead and slap them on. Went ahead and looked up the torque spec while we was at it.
Yeah.
Realized the Chevrolet's pretty stupid.
I wouldn't say all that. It's an odd way of torquing it. Foot-pounds and angles and 90 degrees. And just tell us the foot-pounds of torque for each sequence, you know?
Yeah.
Wouldn't that make sense? Somebody that worked at Chevrolet might have been smoking crack that day.
Alright. That thing set up on now. Need you to go on the dial, please. This is your head. my dial is right here. Yeah, that's your head.
Oh, yeah. Come on now, lift it up, man. I can't get it like that. Yeah.
Does the gasket say front?
Yeah.
You know where the front of the motor's at?
It ain't right there.
Yeah, you had another. Unless it's set in there right,
Oh, there we go.
immediately fall into place. Yep.
All right.
All right.
So the small one's going. What are these?
Oh, let me look in the bag.
What did you get? Honda Headbolts?
I don't know, man.
What? Are you sure it was for a 5.3?
Well, guys, we went to go put the headbolts on. You might be able to see what's wrong. I mean, stock. Apparently, these headbolts are for older LS. So, new headbolts will not work. So, we went ahead and ordered head studs for it instead of headbolts. That's basically gonna do us in for tonight. I know y'all guys are tired of seeing it in a couple of parts, but I'm even more tired of seeing it in a couple of parts because for y'all, it's like, you know, you'll see it in a section of a video. For me, it's like 2 weeks. So I'm ready to put this thing together, man. I'm really itching to throw it in that Jeep. All right, so we'll catch up to y'all basically when we get those headbolts.
All right, so I'm editing the video right now, and I just seen that we lost a lot of footage, which sucks. Either way, we got enough to piece things together and keep it moving. But basically what happened was, y'all saw that we ordered the wrong head bolts. I think the 5.3 we have is pre-2004, and those head bolts that we had ordered were for a 5.3 after 2004, like 2004, 2006. I'm guessing it was something like that. Went on Amazon special, bought some head studs, and we got the head studs, and lo and behold, those didn't fit either. So what we did was, as you probably already guessed, we reused the old head bolts. At least I think there's 4 in the head along the valve train. On the inside of the valve cover, those bolts we reused. The bolts on the outside of the valve cover, we used the head studs. So yeah, and I lost that footage of us realizing that, but we just kind of came to the point where it was like, you know what, we're putting it anyways. We also painted the engine bay, and I'm going to put that up right now.
Man, that thing is looking pretty good there, Jake. Hell yeah, guys.
Yep, got high off of paint fumes.
100% got high off some paint fumes. We left both doors closed by accident.
Now my brain feels like it has cotton balls in it.
I like it. I like it a lot. Imagine that right there in there.
Yep.
The way she looks.
If only we had a bell housing.
If only.
Yeah.
We had a bell housing.
And so that was the engine bay painted after we got done. We just spray painted it. It wasn't really that much. And so now we decided to, well, first of all, let me say we made a power steering pump bracket. We fabricated one, and we fabricated a battery mount in the back of the Jeep. So we ran the cables to the back from the fuse panel on the front to the back of the Jeep, and basically used the spare tire where the spare tire was sitting, and we kind of fabricated a mounting bracket for the battery. We don't have a whole lot of footage of that, but y'all will see the end. Y'all will see the end result, probably in the next video. We got that, and also made a bracket for the power steering pump, which I might have already said that. If I had the footage, it's really just a lot of cutting and grinding, so it really ain't too much to it. We was pretty quiet through the whole thing. We just wanted to get it over with, so got that. And then we decided to put the engine inside of the engine bay just to see what it would look like. So we put it in there, and now I'm going to jump. Can't fucking talk. Now I'm going to jump to footage of us measuring out a serpentine belt. And that after that, it'll probably be about the end of the video. I know it's a short one this time, but once we get that bell housing and get footage of that up, that's going to be longer footage. So much more to come, but here is serpentine belt measurements.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and pre-measure up for a belt. This is the old rope trick. Get you a piece of rope or some wire, throw it all over the place. Go ahead and take it and route it as you would a belt. Like that. Put your little half knot in there, just like that. Take your tensioner and find out where the full lock is. So go about halfway and lose all your alignment.
About halfway, he's probably gonna tighten it up again.
All right, now let go. And that is your belt length. So you just take that to your local AutoZone, and you can guess within about an inch or two what belt size you're gonna get. Alrighty.
Tell him, Joe.
Huh?
Tell him.
Well, make sure y'all guys like, subscribe, and comment. Share the video. Get it out there. Share it to all your friends, please. Get our name out there, so that way we can, afford Jake a welding helmet. That's not mine.
I need an extra large welding helmet.
Yeah, that's his.
Big ass
that we don't have
right
to touch.
Yeah.
But yeah, thank y'all for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next one.
And keep on beating it. No, keep on beating it. Gotta hit the camera.
Yeah.
Keep on beating it. No, the camera's over here, Jake.
Yeah.
Keep on beating it.